Well, we've got a lot of changes coming up in the forecast, everybody. We want to get right to it. 6:18 a.m. on your Monday. That's Santa Monica. That is our pier camera, and we're looking live right now. We've got some patchy low clouds out there from the coast into the LA basin right now. We are, though, dry. The Doppler showing us that we are dry, and we're staying dry through the day today. No rain here. Up north, they're awaiting some shower chances throughout the Bay Area right now. Winds on the calm side from Ontario all the way to the Santa Clarita Valley. Temperatures on the cool side. Ontario, good morning to you at 46. John Wayne Airport, Santa Ana 54, downtown 54, and Santa Clarita coming in at about 44 degrees. Again, you saw the winds. There's calm in the single digits. We'll head into the afternoon forecast. You watch those winds begin to increase coming from the south and the southwesterly direction, strongest up into the high desert regions. That's where we'll see a wind advisory. It all kicks off at 1 o'clock this afternoon through about 9 o'clock tonight. We're talking about the Antelope Valley up into the mountain areas, and we're also talking about the Apple Valley as well. Mulberry, sweet gum, and ash today. We're at about a medium. We're calling it 8.7, a little bit better as we head in towards tomorrow, Tuesday, and Wednesday's forecast. That's because of pollen counts will come down as the wet weather moves in. Upper level low, it's cold. That's a cold core. So get ready for some more cool temperatures coming our way as we head into the spring season, a little bit further into the spring season, and the first few days of April as that frontal system starts to move into the Bay Area today. We're looking at it coming our way overnight tonight. Increasing clouds this afternoon. There's 4 o'clock, still dry. We're looking up towards the Point Conception area, Kern County. They're seeing some wet weather. Santa Barbara tonight at about 9 o'clock. Just after midnight, 1, 2 a.m., that's when we're seeing some wet weather moving into LA County. Then we'll make our way into early Tuesday morning into Orange County, the Inland Empire. Tuesday, we start to dry things out, but we've got another system coming our way, round 2, as we head in towards Wednesday. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast. 67. Dry today, showers overnight into Tuesday morning, Tuesday afternoon, sunshine. Wednesday, here comes round 2. By Thursday, we're drying out. We could see some snow showers up in the local mountains Tuesday and Wednesday as well. Let's take a